Hello everyone, we are here. The day passed first time. Dave, show your certificate, man. This is it. The day passed, and anybody want you, come over here. The Dave, how was the experience of the test gone?
It got very smooth. It got very smooth. At the beginning, I was a little bit nervous, but the examiner was very kind, very nice, professional as well. So he tried to calm me down, talk to me nicely and slowly, and then invite me to ask any questions if I didn't hear clearly. So it really calmed me down. Otherwise, it would build up and then got worse and worse. But hopefully, that was
so it helps because in the beginning I told you the examiner is very nice.
Yeah.
He's very. I mean, look, all of them, they are very nice. Yeah. They want you to pass.
Yeah.
But same time, you need to show your safe driving experience as well.
Yeah. And also remember your advice: breathe in, breathe out. Really helps. Really helps.
Make yourself breathe in.
Yes.
And breathe out.
Really
and
helps.
make sure. And did you was throughout the test you are repeating the instructions?
Yeah, I repeat everything he said clearly, slowly. One way is just to reconfirm the instruction, but also just it helped me to calm me down as well, so I can be sure that the instruction I heard was absolutely right. Yeah.
Perfect. When the test started, did the examiner explain you, ask you to explain the whole process for the test?
Yeah, he explained everything to me. Yeah.
That's good. Did the examiner ask you, tell me questions?
Yeah, he asked me about the knob, the brakes, I think. Yeah.
Okay, the foot brake and the
head restraint.
The head restraint.
Yeah.
And what show questions they ask you to demonstrate while you are driving? Wipers,
it was the
dip light, or demister?
Demister, yeah.
Okay, that's good. So that's what you cover.
Yeah.
Now, throughout the test, examiner was giving you instruction well in advance?
Yeah, well in advance. And then, yeah, it was very clear, well in advance. Yeah.
Good. The examiner I've seen the examiner use a sat nav.
Yeah.
So it was a similar direction which we have done the mock test, one of them?
Yeah, in general similar. And some routes are exactly the same, some routes are different, but the general condition is the same. There's no surprise.
No surprise. That's
no
good.
surprise.
So the test route which we cover and already on the YouTube, there are best test route cover for the whole Enfield Test Center.
Yeah.
And anybody watch those test routes, they will be ready for themselves.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah.
Good. Now, other thing which I like to ask you, that examiner ask you a reversing or slow moving exercise.
Yeah.
Which one they ask you?
Parallel parking.
Oh, good. So it was busy road or it was a quiet road?
It was a quiet residential road, and then it allows two correction. I did one correction, so yeah. Eventually, yeah, it was. You can feel it's okay. Yeah.
Perfect. So now, I asked this question to every student who passed. Now there's a misperception in the country that the examiner, they have a number of hours they want to pass. This is true, or is basically myth, or it's untrue?
I don't feel so. I feel the examiner was very professional, to be honest. First of all, it's very professional, and then also it's very kind as well. You can feel when he speaks in the tones, very friendly, very not easygoing, but very friendly, eager to help. So it makes you feel really, really good. Yeah, I don't. Oh, I understand. I thought so as well. But soon you communicate a little bit, you can feel the attitude is very positive. Yeah.
Good. Now comes to my training. Now, I'm so sorry, throughout the training I was pushing you too much, giving you lots of information, covering you lots of test routes, preparing you for the day of the test today, and I'm sure you're happy that passed. But compare my teaching, like, what do you think about my teaching? Does it suitable? Is good for your pace to pick you up, help you to pass? My mock test will train you ready to the standard that you pass, because you pass with very little manners, which you never had those manners with me even in the mock test, which we done 3 or 4 mock tests. So what feedback you like to give it to me?
I feel the mock test definitely helps a lot on not only the routes. I know the routes are very important for everybody, but not only the routes. I think most importantly is the driving habit that you overlooked, but in the exam that's not forgivable. So for example, roundabout, the speed, changing of lanes, everything, you 100%, you know where put your concentration on. Otherwise, you'll be all over the place and then become nervous. Yeah,
that's very true. That's very true. Well, guys, you have a full details from Dave. He passed first time, and the examiner even said that it was a very good drive. And the second time before he left, he said, "Well done. Wish you all the success." So this is a good news. Any of you want to pass, want to learn and pass first time, feel free to contact. The details are there, skydrivingteam.co.uk. We are still outside the driving test center. The happiness is still here. I'm sure that Dave is not going to sleep tonight. He's going to have a happy and the party mood tonight. Yes or no?
Yes.
Dave, one more time, man. That was excellent. So guys, until next time, look after yourself and see you next video. Are you looking to pass UK driving test at your first attempt? In this video, you will discover what I believe to be the simplest and most robust A to Z guide to pass the UK driving test with just an afternoon worth of preparation. Hey, I am Mo. Since 2003, thousands of students have trusted my online training course of car theory and driving in order to practically guarantee their success. And if you want a distinctive advantage, I want to pull back the curtains and give you the secret now. In the driving course, 40 easy to understand videos. Each video explains main points, recap before each driving lesson, examiner's direction and instruction, highway code rules, driving test report and mock test to keep you in control. In the theory course, 750 official driving vehicle standard agency approved question bank, hazard perception test guide, new short video Q&A. The current pass rate for the test is below 50%. Most people coming unprepared. So much misinformation out there. Hard to know what really works and what doesn't. There is missing a step-by-step guide showing them all the obstacles in the road and how to get around them. They need a full map to reach their goal. Do not operate blindly. Now, what I have shown you is just a snapshot of the strategies and tools you will need to pass the car driving test on your first attempt. You can click the link below this video and taking to a page where you can gain access to my complete A to Z UK car driving test guide. And remember, the current pass rate for the car theory is 48% and driving is 39%. The odds right now are not in your favor. People do not know where to get the right knowledge from, and it leads them wasting time and money, constantly retaking the test. But right now, you can gain all the answers. So why wait any longer? Take the action now and get started.